Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this 17th video, we will focus on how to fix South Africa's railway system. Fixing South Africa's railway system is a complex task, but there are several steps that can be taken to improve its efficiency and reliability. 1. Increase investment. One of the main issues facing South Africa's railway system is a lack of investment. To fix this, the government could increase funding for rail infrastructure, maintenance, and new rolling stock. 2. Improve maintenance. Regular maintenance is critical for ensuring the safe and efficient operation of the railway system. The government could prioritize routine maintenance of existing infrastructure, such as tracks, signals, and bridges, to improve safety and reliability. 3. Upgrade technology. Upgrading technology can improve the efficiency of the railway system and reduce costs. This could include implementing electronic ticketing systems, real-time tracking of trains, and automated signaling systems. 4. Improve safety. Safety is a key concern for South Africa's railway system, and the government could prioritize safety measures such as better safety training for staff, improved safety equipment, and better enforcement of safety regulations. 5. Encourage private investment. The government could encourage private investment in the railway system by offering incentives and reducing barriers to entry. This could lead to increased competition, improved services, and better customer experience. 6. Modernize rolling stock. The current fleet of rolling stock in South Africa is aging and in need of replacement. Modernizing the rolling stock could improve reliability, reduce maintenance costs, and increase efficiency. Overall, fixing South Africa's railway system will require a combination of investment, maintenance, technology upgrades, safety measures, private investment, and modernization of rolling stock. By taking these steps, the railway system could become a more reliable and efficient mode of transport, benefiting both passengers and the economy. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.